Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve circular linked list problem. So what is a circular linked list? Circular linked list is a linked list that has no ending point, which means if we start traversing the linked list, right, until one point we will come back to the node that we've already traversed. For example, in this case 1, 2, 9, 7 and come back to 2, so it is a circular linked list. So in order to solve this kind of problem, we're going to use a technique called slow fast pointer. It is two pointers. One pointer is going at double speed of the other. So the idea here is if we traversing the linked list using two pointers, if one going with a double speed of the other and one point, the fast pointer will meet the slow pointer. So let's visualize it. For example, this symbol is stand for slow pointer and dollar symbol is fast pointer. So for each step, the slow pointer will move one node forward, but the fast pointer will move at double speed, which is 2 nodes forward. So it goes to 2 and 9. Go to next step, next iteration. Slow pointer go to 9 and fast pointer go to 7. But here 7 is again point to 2. So it go back to 2. Then 9, right? So now at the end of second step, two pointers meet at one point, so it means it is a circular linked list. For another problem, this is not a circular linked list because the last pointer point to no, which means it doesn't create a circle. So we also have slow and fast pointer. For the first iteration, slow go to 2, fast go to 2, then 3. For the next iterations, as you can see, the fast pointer couldn't go for two nodes, right? Because the next node is no. So it means when that is the case, it means we already reached the end of the linked list. So it's not a circular linked list, right? So we have two pointers, slow and fast. Slow equal to head and fast equal to head. Initially, it all point to head, right? So we're gonna run in a loop. as long as we have fast.next and fast.next. Only when next.next, only when we want to check only if the fast pointer can move forward 2 steps, then we're gonna run into the loop, so that we can avoid no pointer exception here, right? So inside here we can move the slow 1 step forward and fast 2 steps forwards. So it will exit the loop if there's no fast or no fast.next or no fast.next, right? So if it's the case, we exit the loop, mean we already reached the end of the linked list. So it means we return false here. It's not we don't have a cycle, but inside here, like at the end of each iteration, we want to check if slow equal to fast. It means 2 pointers meet at 1 point. So return true, it has a cycle. We couldn't put this one here because in the first iterations 2 pointers slow and fast all point to the head, right? So it will return true right away, and we don't want that. We only want to check after 2 pointers has already made some progress, right? So let's check it out. 2 pointers, no, we check, and first one. Let's see how awesome it works. Let's see the test. Okay, let's make sure that it is running this code. Alright, intentionally made it fail, so now it works. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.